Hi, it's Oscar here. Today I'm going to talk about dictionary, another type of the data type in Python. Dictionary is an order collection and contains, as you said, the key. It has a key and it has a value, the per, and it's separated by colon here. And we write it in here we write it in the bracket or curly bracket. That dictionary is a collection of the which is order actually and changeable, but we cannot duplicate that one. So let me give you one of the example. For example, here the cars, uh, that is dictionary, and as you see, that is curly bracket here, and then I have the key. I have put in manufacturer, and the value of this manufacturer for the cars. This one is a Honda, and model is which model we are Civic, and the year 2000. Again, person that comes again another dictionary, and it's a name Oscar, age 67, weight, city of the. So what I here we have right now a dictionary, and then it's the same thing. For example, we can actually name it as a dictionary. Same thing that you look at the dictionary, give a value, and then the key and the value. You define it, the value of the you define of the when you found the word, you define it, what's the meaning of that word. So that's a dictionary. So we cannot duplicate dictionary. Let me give you one of the example of the dictionary here and print it out. Let me go to the pie chart. Again, cars, and then curly bracket, open and close curly bracket. And what I do here, I say manufacturer, and then colon here, and I give you a value for it, and then go to next item, the next item, and then I can manufacture example, what model is it, and then separate it with colon, and I give the cap 150 truck or 150F truck as far as I know. And then I can say the year for it. Then again, a key here. And then let me give, I have to have a comma here, separate it, and I give a model number here. For example, 2022. Okay. Now if I want to print this one, let me print this one on when I say cars, and let me go to current file and print it. Okay, here give me what is the total, give me whole thing for dictionary. It has manufacturer, the value is Ford, because the values is by colon here, and a model, pickup, and all. So I'm able to access each item of this dictionary out. That we be able to access the item for this the dictionary, I just can say that I can have a value on that one. Let's say car, and then I say that cars, that was my variable for dictionary, and I have to have MNF that I put it. This is a key value here, and I can say print it out, the car, print the car on the screen to see that what does it get from here. Here you are, and it gives me I give the key value here, manufacturer, and it give me the item number or the value for it. I'm able to get also with the get number. Let me show you how I'm able to do that. I can do the same thing with the get. How do I do it? I have instead here the car, I had it, I copy this one, Same thing that I do it here. And what I get, I said that get, but I have to take this, I have to do it modern manufacture again, whatever. Let me say year here to do that. So what I'm going to do is right now give you 2020. I just get and give me the year. It give me the value of the year. That is the key, and give me the value for that one. And again, I'm able to print this one too. So if I have to print cars here, print everything for me. Okay. So we are able to get from item, or we are able to get by the key method. Then I can also be returned the value by the key dictionary. So I can say that here it is one more way that I can get it by key method. This is how it works. I have same thing here. I create a variable here. Say car. And I can name this one different way, but let me just put it X, whatever value. And I am able to use names keys. Let me show you how does it work. I create another variable, call it X, and then anything that you want to name it. And I have the dictionary keys and cars, and I can say key method, keys method, and then I print everything out. Print X here. Let me run and see how does it work. So I get the dictionary keys. I have the keys here is manufacturer, model, year. All the keys I was able to do that. Again, I'm able to use it. There. Let me make all of this one as a comment. Okay. Let me give for one of the items I want to change the value of the one. I want to change value of one. How I'm going to do that? What I can say that okay, the cars, and then I want to change the years of that year, and I want to give the value to it. And let me print cars here. So how does it work? Okay, so I was able to change from 2020 to 2018 a year. So we have, if you want to change a value, we get the value of the key. Here it is. We use the keys number, which is year here, and we change the value of that one. We can update dictionary. If we want to update it, we are able to update the year by 20. Let me show you how we are able to update. In this section, for example, right now, let me go after here, and I say here I have the cars, and I use the update method, and I say that to let me okay, let me update it, and then I'm going to print it out. Cars. See how does it do. So in the model here, I change it to pickup 150. I change the master. So we are updating the value. So we are using the update method. Update. Let me say add item. So I want to add the item. How we are able to add the item? Add item is the same thing. It's the same way that we did here. What we want to do it, we just give. We won't just have an extra thing to it. I want to add one item to it, and then and I want to give a value to it. From khaki, let me say blue. Again, the cars. So I'm updating. So what I did, I add one more extra key to it, and then a value to it. The key here is color, the value is blue. So we are able to add one item, delete one item. We are able to update the same thing. We can do the same thing for the update. We are able to remove one item. See that if I want to remove one item, I can use the pop item. Can say here, again, cars. I have to have the same variable or same dictionary, and then I can say that I use pop, and then I'm able to use them, and then again I'm going to print, see what will happen. So what happened here, I removed the, so right now I don't have the model number, there is no model number here, I remove it. So by popping up, by pop method, I'm able to do it. I'll just copy this through and come here, and instead what I have to do, delete, I just use delete, and then I use variable that I had in the dictionary, but instead let me change the, let me remove the color. Okay, what I did, I delete the key here and the value, the key and the value of it. So we are able to loop through that one. Let me show you how we are able to loop through that one. So let me see Z, and then in cars, and then I want to print Z here. See how does it work? Yeah. So I have the key value here that I'll be able to print all the key value here. I can print all the value on that one by one. So what I can say that if I want to have the value of that one, what I can say, I say print, and then I want cars, and on big one I can say actually I have to bracket, not curly bracket, and I put the value of the Z that I had. See how does it work? This time it gives me value right now. Before I requested give me the key, right now I requested give me the value of that one. So we have more than that one. We can have copied, and can have the, if we need to do that, we can have nested each one. So if I have car dictionary, this is nested. How am I able to do it? I can say that child, for example, one, and this child one by itself is dictionary two, and let me put name here, a name, actually gang name here, and give the value of the name, and let me give the one more, let me give age here, and can have that one out. Actually that is going to be very cool. Okay, and then I can have the same thing for child 2, child 3. This is the first child, this is the second child, this is the third child. Okay, what I can do, this is child 2 and child 3. but I give their value here. Here it is, the age is 16, and then I will have John here, and then I give 40. So we are able, this is a nested one, that we are able to do that. So we are able to do the same thing too. It's a lot usable dictionary, as you know, as far as you know, there's a lot of use on the dictionary. Hopefully you enjoyed the dictionary.